All right, everybody, welcome to another edition of Jacob's Journey. These are just my beliefs and my beliefs alone. No way, shape, or form do they impact YouTube. Um, like always, we want to grow our channel, so let's like, share, and subscribe. And today we're going to be talking about the UFOs. New Jersey, New York, people been spotting, right? So what it is, you guys, is distraction, right? Not really a distraction, but it's just something to take our minds off of the whole CEO and um, Luigi, right? The guy who got caught. They don't want this to start a whole movement, and they just want us to stop thinking about it altogether, right? Because oh God, we can't have the people, you know, uh, uh, come up and we can't have this. They're talking about all kind of stuff, and they're looking at CEOs and what we're doing wrong, and we're making millions, and like a revolution. They don't want that. Oh God, little whispers, right? So they're throwing this out there. Oh, let's give them something to look at, something to talk about, distract them. Let's get their mind off of the whole thing, man, because it's getting out of hand, right? They're scared. You know what I mean? CEOs are taking their pictures off. They're whispering, right? Oh, what do we do? Okay, we can't have the. We just want them docile. We just want the people to work, okay, and come back home, right? They don't want none of this. They want us to forget about that. And I'm tell you, and I bet you're not going to hear much about the whole case. You're not gonna. They're gonna try to keep that as quiet as they can, all right? Because this is probably it's been a long time since all of them has been scared, right? We're not supposed to be afraid of our government, right? Our government is supposed to be afraid of us, right? So kind of right now that's what's going on. So it's not. These are not UFOs. These are not. We need to just stop. Even this is ridiculous, and then focus. Get our focus back on you know us taking our power back, right? The big corporations, the people that make millions, right? We're the ones suffering. But anyway, that's what the whole thing's about. So I don't want you guys to get confused. And but it's real simple. That's what they're just trying to get our attention away from what happened. And that's it. So um, like always, let's help each other rather than hurt each other. Jacob's Journey. I'm out.